In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your CapCut projects from your phone to your computer. This method also works if you want to sync from one computer to another. First, open the CapCut app on both your mobile device and your computer. Make sure you're logged into the same CapCut account on both devices. Now, starting on your mobile, tap Edit at the bottom left. Under Popular Tools, select Space. Keep in mind that you must have CapCut Pro to use this feature. Next, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner, then choose Upload Projects. From here, select the CapCut projects you want to sync across your devices. I'll select this one and tap Upload. Once the upload is complete, switch over to your computer. On the desktop version of CapCut, scroll down until you find Project Sync and make sure it's enabled. After that, look to the left panel and open the drop-down next to Spaces. You should now see your shared space. Inside this section, you'll find all your synced CapCut projects. You can open Auto Upload, and some of your projects may appear there as well. You can also upload projects from your computer the same way. Just click Upload, choose Upload Project, and select the project you want to sync. It will then be available on your mobile device too. And that's all there is to it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you.